There's a people exactly 1 a.m. our time here in Jerusalem, Thursday, 13th of June, the year 2024. I have seen rain. Rain is coming to fall on this land. I have seen the rain of the Holy Spirit falling on this land. Again, today we have just begun Thursday, 1 a.m., Thursday after the holiday of Shavuot. This is now Thursday, 13th of June, the year 2024. I have seen rain. The Lord Almighty has spoken with me about rain that is going to fall into this land. The rain, the type that happened on Mount Carmel, the rain of the Holy Spirit that you see has been falling in Kakamega, in Joro, Eldama Ravine, Kisii, Lagos, Nigeria, Lima, Peru, Ahmednagar, also in San Felix, and all the places, Belem, the Lord has sent me to an opened heaven. So this is serious. I see rain coming to this land. The Holy Spirit, rain coming to this land. And I said, like the rain that fell when I was on Mount Carmel in the other life. So rain is coming to this land. That's what I said. The rain of the Holy Spirit. The Lord Almighty has spoken with me. Today is June 13th, the year 2024. This is 1:10 a.m. in the morning, and I see rain that is going to visit this land, the rain of the Holy Spirit. The Lord will come back to this land to love these people. I see rain that is going to come to this land like the rain you saw on Mount Carmel. The Messiah is coming. Thank you.